Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Grafillia Nafisya, and I am a student at LPP Ariyanti majoring in Office Administration. Here, I would like to talk about lifelong learning through courses in the era of change. Well, as you can see the title itself, welcome to the change of era. Is it fast? Is it loud? And it waits for no one. In this era, a courses is just not a class. Is it compass? Is it bridge? And a shield? First, a course is a compass in the chaos of this era. Course doesn't not remove the straw. It teaches you how to decide. Second, a course is a shield for your future. The World Economic Forum says 44% of skill will be disrupted the next 5 years. That sounds scary, but every new skill you learn is armor. A 2-hour courses on Canva, on public speaking, or on basic coding can be the difference between outdated and demand. Third, a course is a bridge to new communities. Change feel lonely, but in course, you meet people who are just as nervous and just as hungry to grow. You learn that you are not behind, you're just on different chapter. Together, you turn change for a treat into a team project. Ladies and gentlemen, a degree proves what you learned yesterday. A course proves what you are willing to learn today. In this era of change, the most valuable people are not the ones who knows everything. They are the ones who are willing to learn anything. We cannot predict the future, but we can prepare for it. And lifelong learning through courses is how we do. In the era of change, don't just watch history happen. Take a course and be the one who makes it. My name is Grafillia Nafisya, and I am a student for life.